Hey, hi guys. Good evening, everyone. This is Abhishek from Smart Beach. I think some people are joining, right? We'll wait for 5 more minutes. Meanwhile, if you are having any doubts, you can ask in the chat. Okay, there is a chat section, right? There you can able to ask whatever the questions you are having. Please use the chat option to ask any questions. Okay. Today we will try to create one AI. We will try to discuss about AI agents, how AI agents are evolving, and we'll see some AI related topics. Then we will move on to the Agent Force champion. Okay, and you guys need to complete some task on that, and I will let you know what are the things that you need to do. Be active in the chat and be let me know that you are getting my voice clearly or not in the chat. Can I get a yes or no in the chat? Yuvraj is saying yes. Krishna Saranya is saying yes. Jojit Roy is saying yes. Okay, thank you guys for respond. Do you guys know what we are going to discuss today? Can you say that thing in the chat option? What we are going to discuss today and what this program is all about. I want you guys to answer quickly. Is my voice breaking? What about now? Kamaleshwaran saying no. Yeah, yeah. Some people are saying good evening, good evening. Mughalayan, good evening. Rajwardhan, good evening. Kamali is saying yes. Are you getting my voice clearly? Just respond in the chat, everyone. I think some people are saying yes and some people are saying no. It's clear. It's some people are saying it's clear. Okay, then yeah, we can move on to the next part. This session is all about creating agents using Salesforce. How we can able to use agent artificial intelligence agents using Salesforce, right? And I will give full knowledge on how this AI will work and what are the backend logic we need to give, what are the instructions we need to give, what are the prompts we need to give, what are the actions we need to build at backend. Everything we will say, and for that we have one trial, and also you guys need to complete the project, and I will share that project link to you. Your project is nothing but a trail, okay? The trail mix, or we can say trail. We have some instructions you guys need to follow that, and you need to complete that agent also. Is it interesting? Yeah. What do you mean by agent force, guys? What do you, first I want to know that what do you mean by AI, artificial intelligence? Can anyone respond in the chat? What is AI? AI is the simulation of humans intelligence by computer systems. Yeah, don't use the whiteboard, guys. Artificial intelligence is the simulation of human intelligence by computer systems to perform complex tasks like reasoning, learning, problem solving, and decision making. It uses the data driven modules, which are also called as LLMs. Okay, models are nothing but LLMs, particularly by using machine learning and deep learning to identify patterns and understand language and make autonomous predictions. Yeah. Someone said human made thinking power. Who is that? Vishal. Vishal is saying human made thinking power. Nice. And Anand Kumar is saying A means making machines smarter to think, learn, and making decisions like human. It is also correct. Yeah. Yeah. Then I will share my screen and I will give some inputs from my side. Okay. So here you can see like our agenda is building building AI agent real in a real time scenario. How we can able to build our agent in real time scenario? Like if you are having just say if you are having some company which provides solutions, which provides room bookings or reservations, right? For that, if the customer is having any issues, they will ask some questions, right? They need the response quickly, but if the customer service agents or representatives are humans, not the AIs. Humans will take time to respond and will give the response very late when compared to the AI, right? And also they will be available in business hours, like working hours only. They will be available at 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. like that, right? Some shift will be there in night, but the productivity is very less. In that place, we are taking help from the artificial intelligence, which can answer questions easily for a particular topic. The topic is about your company, okay? Your company, what your company is providing, who is the end users, and we can say like how this or your product is helpful, your services is helpful, and how they can able to book whatever the questions they are having. That will be covered in that particular agent, and they will give the answers efficiently and very quickly. And you can say you are getting some chatbots here, right? So we will create that chatbot, and there are some difference between chatbot and AI agent. Chatbot only gives some information, but AI agent will perform tasks. Okay, it can book reservations if the company is having reservations. Like whatever the thing, if it is a movie booking application, it will give movie related tasks, and movie related task it will be done. Okay, someone is saying it is not needed, I think. Yeah, Anand Kumar is saying like that. Okay. Yeah, agent is the agent connect with AI and complete our task or help us complete our task smartly and fastly. It is absolutely correct. Who is this? Parth Nerkar. Today, in this program, we will try to create agent real time. Not only me, you all also need to do, and I will give full instructions on how we can able to create. Okay, Parth, nice. And if you want to create any agent, do you need license? Do you need any API integrations or something? Do you need any website? No, right? Yeah, it is needed, but all those are available freely. They won't available free. We need to pay something, and first we need to build some website and all. It will take so much time, right? Yeah, we want to build an agent, not the website. So for that, Salesforce has some websites. Salesforce has some pre-built uh, organization accounts. Okay, there we can able to build our agent. How we can able to build our agent? We will see. First, what is Salesforce? What is Salesforce, guys? He is saying agentic AI, and why he is saying Salesforce, you guys will confuse. Yes? Do you guys know what is Salesforce? You need to register. Who is it? Kushbu Yadav. You need to register. Salesforce is number one CRM platform. That is correct. Nice. I'm not asking about the position. Company works on the creation of agent for the business use. Okay, nice. I'm asking what is Salesforce? I want your answer. I want your answer in the chat. Yeah, some people are saying it. Are they copying from the Google, or do you guys really know about Salesforce? How many people know about Salesforce? Just say yes if they know. Otherwise, just say no. If you know Salesforce, just say yes. Otherwise, no. Mhm. I'm not even getting one no. Yeah, I got one no. Nice. Nice, nice. Most of them are saying yes. And some people give an answer. I will try to read. Uh, Tolkapian is saying the help business manage customers, sales, and customer service in one place. Yeah, nice. That is correct. Deep Biswas is saying Salesforce is a CRM platform that helps business to manage customers, sales, and marketing. Yeah, that is also this is the clear. Okay, this is one of the clear definition about Salesforce. Nice, Deep Biswas. It is it is a cloud-based management. Okay. Kanchan is saying that works on SaaS-based cloud. It totally on cloud. It like sales, business, everything you can do on one platform. Okay. It helps business to manage their customers. Nice, nice. Oh, I'm not getting this one. Why? What the, are you hacking this one? To manage customer interactions, boost sales, provide service, automate marketing. Hmm, nice. Yeah, everyone said correctly with different definitions, we can say. I will give my take on it. You can see Salesforce. It is a cloud-based CRM software tool which helps business to grow in a Okay? It is a cloud-based CRM software tool which helps business to grow in a profitable way. Okay? What do you mean by okay? You are saying cloud-based CRM. What do you mean by CRM? CRM is nothing but a customer relationship management. Okay, customer relationship management. We can able to maintain our company's customer relationship by using this Salesforce in a software way. Okay, by using this software, we can able to make our customers okay businesses to grow in a profitable way. Okay, we can maintain our relationship between the customers and company. Okay, through this CRM. It is a business business plus software. Okay, business idea plus software solution. Understand? Then what we have? Okay, you are saying the Salesforce. Okay, and you are saying customer relationship. Okay, and is there any jobs inside Salesforce? Yeah, there are plenty of so many jobs are available for Salesforce, like Salesforce administrator, okay, Salesforce developer, Salesforce business analyst, Salesforce consultant, Salesforce LWC developer, Agentforce AI developer, and the main thing is main job role in Salesforce is Salesforce architect. Okay, these are the so many jobs. The fresher level we can expect Salesforce administrator and developer. Okay, in abroad there are so many jobs only for the admin, but India only developer jobs will be there. For the developer, admin knowledge also need to be there. Okay, yeah, and yeah, this is all about Salesforce. I want you guys to know, and also in Salesforce has their AI. What is it? Salesforce AI, or we can say Salesforce AI is. What is the Salesforce AI? Can anyone guess? Can anyone guess? What is Salesforce AI? That is Agentforce. Okay, Agentforce, which is also known as Salesforce AI. Okay, it will take help from the LLMs and this is the Agentforce is the tool where we can able to build our agents for the particular applications. Okay, in Salesforce we can able to build applications, okay, through coding and non-coding also possible. Salesforce AIS, Agentforce. Yeah, through this Agentforce we can able to build our custom agents and standard agents also. You can see here these are the job roles that we have in our Salesforce. Anyone, any doubts? No one is asking any doubt. Okay. Can you guys give the definition for agent force? Yes. Okay, just see here. Agent force is a autonomous AI agent platform that enables businesses to build, customize, and deploy intelligent agent that can that can reason and take actions. That can take actions immediately or independently. Okay. Agent Force is nothing but an autonomous AI agent platform that enables businesses to build, businesses or users, we can say, users to build, customize, and deploy intelligent agents that can reason and take action immediately and independently. Right? Yeah. This is all about agent force definition and some uh, basic introduction about Salesforce. Okay, it is a cloud-based platform where we Salesforce is a cloud-based platform where we can able to access it wherever we are. Okay, wherever we want to access, we can access all over the globe. If you have good internet, you can able to access. Okay, for that you need to go to login dot salesforce.com. Okay, here after clicking that login.salesforce.com. Okay, sorry, I clicked wrong, I think. Log, yeah. Login dot salesforce.com. Yeah, after clicking it, you will get page like this. If you are having username and password, you can able to log in. Otherwise, you can't able to log in. You can see here, this is the Salesforce org. Everyone can able to create. Okay, no worries. I will tell you how to create it and all. Meanwhile, just check what I'm doing here. This is the Salesforce org. Every org we can able to access through username and password by using internet. Okay, wherever you are, you can able to use this one. And here we can able to create one agent for the particular application. So I will tell each and everything, and you guys follow the session for today, tomorrow, and day after tomorrow. Follow the session for this week. And those who completed the task, they will get certificate from our company side, which is Smart Bridge. Okay, this is also very useful for your AI career. Okay, so here you can see, yeah. So I will tell you one thing. You guys need to familiar with someone chart. This is the first session, guys. Don't worry. Okay, you already completed, Sravya. Okay, Shravya, actually, think some people got the certificate. Just check that you completed it or not correctly. I will ask my team also from my side. And also, our company is launching one Play Store application, Android application, we can say. From there also, you guys can able to download the certificate. That app will be available by this or next month. Okay. Yeah. First, you guys need to know Salesforce, CRM. It is also completed Agent Force. It is also completed. Then we need to know we need to build our agent, right? For that, we need to know our platform called Trailhead. Okay. What do you mean by Trailhead? It is a it is a Salesforce. It is a Salesforce learning platform where we can able to learn with free of cost only for the Salesforce. Okay. So for that, you guys need to go to www.trailhead.com. Okay. After clicking the trailhead.com, you will get sign up and login. You all are new to this session, right? And new to this Salesforce. If you are new to this one, click on sign up. Okay. If you already have the trailhead account, click on login. Okay. So click on sign me up, sign up. If you all are, most of them are recent new guys, right? So then click on Google. After clicking on sign up, click on Google, give your email, password, okay? Email and password, give that, and click on next, and give the details. That account will be, Trailhead account will be created. Okay. As of now, I already created that Trailhead account, right? If I try to open it, it will directly open like this. Okay. I will try to log out and so here, if I click on login, okay, this is the trailhead.com, right? If you don't have account, click on sign up. If you already have account, click on login. So I already have account, click on login. I can click on login to Trailhead, and I will give this Google account. Click on the account that will be logged in. Okay, your new account, right? Click on sign up and gives. It will ask some questions. Okay, company, relationship, and all. You can give company as self, relationship to Salesforce as customer or student. Okay, and create the Trailhead account, guys, everyone. And give your answer. If those who created, they can able to say like created in the chat. Okay, that is the main task. If you didn't create it now, you will get confused. Okay, so I will be here for this 20 to 30 minutes on it. Someone is saying recently joined become Agentblazer. Okay, but I have not received my certificate. Okay, just check Asriya Mullah. I think those who uh, completed recently, for them, the company is giving access to application. From that application, they can able to download download that will take time. Okay. And everyone try to complete your trailhead account, guys. Someone is saying, Roy is saying, what we need to choose as a relationship to Salesforce. We can give customer. Anand Kumar completed, nice. You are the first one completed the trailhead account. And Krishna is also completed, nice. Shriya Mulla is also saying that. Yeah, Shravya, this is a new batch. Sure, Shavya. Will ask my team. Jamuna, I just know told you how to create a Trailhead account, and you are asking again how to create Trailhead account. Just go to the www.trailhead.com. Okay, from there you can able to create the account. Role you can give Salesforce developer. Uh, Tolkapian is asking like role. Which role should I choose, and what company name should I mention? You can choose Salesforce developer as role and company name as self. Okay, whatever the name you are giving, it is also okay, but you need to give your role and your name correctly. Mainly name correctly. Okay. After successfully creation of this account, Jayjit, you will get some modules for AI related modules and a free org to create agent. Okay. If you create this account, then only you can able to do. Then only you can able to create AI agents. Okay, Sharan is also saying I created account. Nice. Yeah, this is a Agentblazer champion. Some people didn't receive the certificate. Okay. Asriya, I think company is aiming for those who recently completed. They will get certificate in the application. Okay, mobile application. So it is in a testing phase. By within 1 week or 2 weeks, that will be available in the Play Store, and you can able to download your certificate in that application. Tolkapian is also saying create a Trailhead account. Nice. Everyone create the Trailhead account, then only we can able to move forward. What products are? What products you are saying? What is that product by, bro? Yeah, what products you are saying, Tamil Rasan, Anand Kumar, or for relationship? Yeah, after creating this, we can able to access our org for the agent A build. Okay, to build the AA agents, we need this account. Understand? I just clearly mentioned here, right? Role as Salesforce developer, relationship to Salesforce as customer, company as self. Okay. Kula Lalita, just see that thing. I said you can select a student or customer also. You can select Anand Kumar. I will tell Dival Asha. Wait. I will say that thing. What you guys need to do. Yeah, guys, you can see here. I think most of the people created this. Yeah, most of them are created this trailhead account, right? So we'll move on to the next part. Okay. After creating this, you guys need to make your account. Okay. You will get account like this, right? Click on it, and you can see here you are getting setting options, right? Click these setting options and click on public. Make sure you need to make it as public. Everyone make it as public. Everyone make it as public. Your account should be public, then only uh, whatever the agents you build there, we can able to verify it and give the certificate. Make sure it should be public. Where you can get this one by clicking this and click on settings. Okay. If you completed it, just say done in the chat. Then I can move forward and I will give you which one you guys need to complete. Don't make any drawings there, guys. Okay. Yeah. Everyone saying done. Asha, why you are so why you are being so? Will I will tell you now. Wait. So many people are saying it, right? Doing this thing. Wait, don't worry. We'll move on to one by one step clearly. Don't be so fast and rush, Asha. Just be try to get the concept clearly. Okay, most of them are saying done. Then I will give one link. You guys need to open that link and you guys need to complete it. I will tell you each and every step. Agent Force, uh, Agent Blazer, Agent Blazer Champion 2026. Everyone need to complete this where you can in this module it will cover how to build a agent in a real-time scenario, how this will be useful. So this is the link. I will provide this link to you in the chat. So go with this link. Okay. I just shared that link to you. Open that link. If you click on that link, why it is showing for not forever? Are you guys getting that link or you are also getting the same issue? Yeah, I think for this one it is saying like that. So don't go with this one. Go to this. No, don't go with the last one. I'm sharing the link again. Just go with this one. Okay. If you open it, you will get page like this. Okay. Are you guys getting that one? Okay, I'm sending it again. Yes. Are you guys getting that thing? Yeah, Kalyan Kumar. Yes, saying yes. Deep Biswas is saying I did champion in 2025. In which month you completed? If you completed before November 19 or 20, you won't get the certificate. After November 19 or 20, 2025, those people only get that certificate. Okay, this is the trial link you guys everyone need to complete, and I will tell you each and every step how to complete and all. Okay. Yeah. So here we will see here after clicking on that link. Uh, okay. If you completed it, you will get it. Don't worry. Yeah. So I will share that link to you again. So after opening that link, you will get one page like this. This is about becoming an Agentblazer champion 2026. Uh, Here you can able to explore core AI concepts, and you can able to build a basic agent for the key task. Okay. Here you can see get started with artificial intelligence basics. In this batch, there are four sections in this batch. You can see first section is like get started with AI basics. Second session is like explore Salesforce AI, and third session is like meet Agentforce, and fourth one get hands on with the Agentforce. Okay, first three sections are quiz related sections. You can able to complete it by your own. So we'll try to discuss these three things today. And last one, you can see get hands on with the Agentforce. There we will build one agent. Okay, there will be two projects inside that. These two are the projects inside that get hands on with Agentforce section. So don't do any mistakes, don't do rush. So we will discuss these two things tomorrow. Okay, and how to complete it efficiently and correctly. If you did any mistakes, you need to complete it from start, or you need to wait for 5 days. So don't rush and don't do mistake. And you can able to complete your by your own. These three sections you can able to complete it by your own. Okay, first one, second one, and third one. But fourth one is I will tell you how to complete it. Don't do any mistakes there. Okay. Is there only champion is there for is there any other badges like champion? Yeah, there are totally three badges will be there. If you click on explore the Agentblazer series, if you click on it, yes, you can see Agentblazer champion status 26. Learn in demand AI skills today. And you can able to see Agentblazer champion 2026. And you can see champion 2026, innovator 2026, and legend 2026. As of now, we need to complete this one only. Champion only we need to complete. Innovator and legend, it is not needed, it is optional. It is up to you. If you want to complete, you can complete. But our suggestion is to complete champion only. So if you click on the champion, what are the there in the champion? Confidently explain Agentforce concepts and business impacts. Complete. If you complete this one, this level, you will get fundamental. You will gain foundational knowledge on AI, how to build an agent. You will get this thing, and identify agent use cases also. You will get. So if you click on view, our same page will be opened again, and one by one series, one by one modules we need to complete. So in the first section, there are four sections I already told you, right? In the first section, click on show details. What is the section name? Get started with artificial basics, artificial intelligence basics. Okay. Becoming an Agentblazer is all about the knowledge that I just shared, right? Agentblazer, legend, champion, champion, innovator, and legend series. This is all about it. So if you go with the second one, which is artificial intelligence fundamentals badge, if you click on it, you will get brief intro. You can see get started with artificial intelligence. So click on it again. You will get full knowledge on AI if you complete this one. You can see how the AI evolved, and you can see the difficulty of defining AI, and what is the main types of AI capabilities will be there. Language processing. Okay. and numerical prediction, classification, robotic navigation, AI models and neural networks. Okay, everything will be there. After in the last section, you can able to see what helps computer learn what matters to humans when trying to accomplish a goal. You are getting some questions, right? Quiz related questions. So I already completed it for your knowledge only. I'm retaking it. So you need to give one answer correctly here. Okay. And you can see what helps computer learn what matters to the human when they are trying to accomplish a goal. Okay, you can see some definitions and all available here. And in the second one, you can see which broad category would an AI system fit into if it's used to determine the optimal price of an airline ticket. Okay, that is numerical prediction. You will get solution if you read this topic in the top. After that, click on check quiz. You will get this one as completed. So like that, you can able to complete the next modules also. Like you can see generative AI basics, NLP basics, LLMs, and how Salesforce shapes ethical AI standards in the agent era. Okay. Every topic will be there. Under the topic, you will get quiz related questions. You need to answer the quiz related questions to get completion status. So first three sections are quiz related topics only. You can complete it easily. Today, today we will see only quiz related questions. Tomorrow, by tomorrow session at 6 p.m., you guys need to complete the first three sections. Then we can able to move on to the hands-on part, where we can able to build our agent in a real time. Okay, how it is useful, what are the actions will be provided, and we will give some prompts, and based on the prompts, agent will give answers. Okay, we'll deploy it in one website also. So for if you want to do that hands-on tomorrow, you need to complete that three sections, first three sections by tomorrow's sessions. Tomorrow 6 p.m. Before 6 p.m., try to complete all the first three section modules. Okay, all those are quiz related only. Only the last section is hands-on. I will say what you guys need to do in the hands-on. Today, tomorrow, and day after tomorrow, these tomorrow, today, tomorrow, and day after tomorrow will be training sessions. After that, we have mentoring sessions like if you are having any doubts to complete the champion, you can ask that question. That's it. Mainly, we consider these 3 days. So if you complete it fast, you will get the certificate fast. Okay. Yeah, you can give yes. You can give college name also, or simply you can give as self also. It is not a important field, guys. Don't worry about it. We need to complete that module. That is the important thing. College name, company name, whatever the thing you are giving, it is fine. Yeah, innovator and legend is your choice. You want to complete, you can complete. Otherwise, no need to complete. But champion is important. You guys need to complete the champion part. For those who didn't complete, created the Trailhead account, create this. So here, just see here. I already told you these things like first one, second one, and third one. You guys need to complete. And the fourth one, I will tell you how to complete. Okay. By tomorrow, complete these three. So if we go to next part, generative AI basics. So if you go with the generative AI basics, explore the capabilities of generative AI. You can see some capabilities inside the generative AI, how the AI LLMs will work, how the summarization, translation, error detection and correction, question answering will work, guided image generation, like we are using now Gibi and what we call it as Gemini. In the Gemini also we are generating some images, right? So how it is working, everything will be here. You can able to read, learn, and answer the questions below. So here, if you want to take this step again, you can take what is called when AI interprets everyday language. We call it as natural language processing. If you ask a generative AI what its favorite color, it depends and it responds blue. This is an example of prediction. AI doesn't know or it doesn't have favorite color. It will predict any one color and it will give answer. You can see this also completed. Like that, you need to complete it by your understand the technology ecosystem of a generative AI. So if you want to listen, you can able to listen by clicking this one. Okay, that will be also available here. And you can see here new AI model architecture and availability of extensive training data are two factors in a rapid improvement of generative AI. What is the third? Third is increased parallel computing power. And you can see a generative AI response that took plausible but it factually incorrect is what type of concern? It is a hallucination, right? Yeah. So like that, you can move on to the next module. There is no other module here. So I will go with the next one under Agentblazer champion. You can able to click that thing. Okay. So here we are natural language processing basics. So get to know natural language processing. What do you mean by natural language processing? Natural language processing is a field of artificial intelligence that combines computer science and linguistics to give apps and AI assistants the ability to understand, interpret, and generate human language in a way that's meaningful and useful to the humans. Okay, it is a field of AI that combines computer science and linguistics to give apps and AI assistants to ability to understand and interpret generative human AI language. It is a brief history of NLP, and you can able to see what's inside that. And the human language is always natural, and it is structured and unstructured data. Natural language understanding and natural language generation also be there. Natural language understanding is also there. Natural language generation is also there. Okay. Natural language understanding. What do you mean by natural language understanding? You can see natural language understanding and natural language generation. The data processed from unstructured to structured is called natural language understanding. Okay, NLU uses many techniques to interpret written or spoken language to understand the meaning and context behind it. You learn about these techniques in the next unit. You can see what you mean by NLU, NLG, data processing the reverse way from structured to unstructured. What is structured? Structured in the sense you can see name as this, age as this, sex as this, breed as this, weight as this. So this is nothing but a structured. If it is like a, you can see this is a unstructured. Tala is a 5 years old, spread 65 pound, female husky who lives play in the park. Okay, this is a unstructured format. Okay, the data process from unstructured to structured is called NLU. Structured to unstructured is called NLG. Okay, what is natural language? The way human communicate. In what ways the human neural networks impact NLP? We can see NLP has become faster. NLP has become more contextually accurate. Any other questions or any other doubt, guys? You can ask here. Those who didn't create a Trailhead account, they can create it by taking this instruction. I hope everyone created the Trailhead account, right? Those who are facing any issues on any errors, you can see here, follow these instructions. Okay. And then we will move on to the next part inside this one. This champion trail. Okay, just wait for 5 minutes. After that, we can move on to the next part in the champion trail. Yes, you can see next. I think we guys can follow these things. And what do you mean by LLM? What do you mean by LLM? Large language model, right? So learn basics of large language models. Here you can see the definition here. You will get the definition. Yeah, LLM models are like that assistants. Okay, LLM are advanced computer models designed to understand and generate human-like text. They are trained on vast amount of text data to learn patterns, languages, structures, and relationship between the words and the sentences. Okay, this is all about LLM. The data will be trained in the LLM only. Okay, it is a advanced computer models designed to understand and generate human-like text. Okay, how do LLM work? You can see predictions made by LLM refer to their ability to generate or complete text based on patterns they have seen using training. Okay, performing impressive feats of pattern recognizing over vast amount of text. They can generate coherent and contextually relevant content across a wide range of topics. The large part of LLM models refers to size and complexity of these models. They use significant computational resources such as powerful servers with multiple processors and a lot of memory. These resources let the computational resources model handles and process huge amount of data, which improves its ability to understand and generate high quality text. It will generate high quality text by understanding and by with their ability. You can see LLM vary by size, but they typically contains billions of parameters. Parameters are the factors that the model learns during its training process. Building the model's understanding of language, the more parameters, the more complexity that the model has to learn and capture intricate patterns in the data. It improving its ability to produce human-like text. Because of that only LLMs are producing human-like text. To give an idea of how many parameters LLMs use earlier versions of GPT. What do you mean by GPT? GPT is a generative pre-trained transformer model like OpenAI GPT-3 have around 175 billion parameters. These models are considered quite large and have significantly advanced the capabilities of language processing. OpenAI's news model is, I think, GPT 5.0 or something. GPT 4 is the previous one. Now it came with the GPT 5. Is estimated to have 1.76 trillion parameters. Not the million, not the billion. It is trillion. Okay, this is how it will work, and you can able to see how the LLM is trained, how it is fine tuned. What do you mean by fine tune? Fine tune is the process of further tuning or further training a pre-trained data model on a new dataset that is smaller and more specific than the original training dataset. Imagine you have taught a robot to cook dishes from all over the world using the world's biggest cookbook. That's the basic training. Now, let's say you want to robot to specialize in making just Italian dishes. You would then give it a smaller, detailed Italian cookbook and have it to practice those recipes. This specialized practice is like fine tuning. Fine tuning is like taking a robot that knows a little bit about a lot of things and then training it further on a specific topic until it become an expert in a particular area. Okay, this can able to transfer learning efficiency and better performance. And you can able to see some versions will be here. At last you will find what are the variables that the model learns during its training process. What are the variables that the model learn during the training process? It is parameters, which is a benefit of increasing parameters used in LLMs. It is to improve the model's ability to generate human-like text. Yeah. Then again, we have learned how to Salesforce uses LLM, and you can able to see some trusted agents You can see choose the best language model, and you can able to bring your own model. Okay. Then you can see some question like you may need to use more than one LLM to meet your organization use cases. Yeah, it is true. That is the benefit of using go aware model to gather control over residency. To gather control over residency. Okay, that is all about LLMs, and you can see here it is like a Salesforce A stand-up era. It is a link. You can click and you can mark it as complete. Okay. Then we have next section called Explore Salesforce AI. What is Salesforce AI? You can see data fundamentals of AI, data plus AI plus CRM, prompt fundamentals, prompt builder basics, Einstein trust layer, and autonomous agents. We can see reasoning in artificial intelligence also. So first go with the data fundamentals for AI. No, session is not over. It will over at 9 o'clock. Okay. Meanwhile, you can also try to complete it by your side. I will also explain here. Okay. Only first three sections only we will discuss today. Tomorrow we will discuss on hands-on. Don't miss the tomorrow's and the day after tomorrow session, guys. It is very, very important. If you miss that class, you won't get the certificate. Attendance is also mandatory. So next we can go to data plus. You can see data fundamentals of AI. Okay, this is all about how the data ethics preparations, how the data is stored, how it is AI is understanding the data, what are the techniques that AI is using, okay, and what are the ethics, privacy, and practical implementations. Everything will be there in the data fundamentals. Okay, you can see data plus A plus CRM. So if you go with it, how what the combination of data plus A plus CRM will give results, good results, right? The foundation of this dream team is customer relationship management. CRM is the technology that keeps customer records in one place to serve as the single source of truth for every department, which helps you company manage current and potential customer relationships. Your CRM is your CRM information is only part of the picture. Like most businesses, you probably have other important data stored in various systems that helps you get a complete view of organization's core metrics. With the power of AI, you can bring all the data together and harness it to help you make smarter predictions and new content. Okay, you can see when data plus AI plus CRM come together, magic happens. Each of these components alone is helpful, but when work together, they help you create better customer experiences, make faster business decisions, and improve your overall efficiency. So, how the business area and how the data plus AI plus CRM will work? What are the implementation truth? And you can see some YouTube video also. And which of these is an example of how you can use AI in marketing? Create custom landing pages for your customers. What forms that foundation of a successful AI strategy? It is a truth. Truth forms the foundation of the successful AI strategy, right? Trust, we can say trust. First is the number one priority to get success in any area. Again, if you go with the next part, is there any other module? There is no module here. And you can see prompt fundamentals. This is important, guys. Get started with the prompts. You can see get started with prompts. If you go with the first module and just check with this, what are the prompt templates? What do you mean by prompt? I want to know what do you mean by prompt. Firstly, just answer. You can see what is a prompt. I asked you what is a prompt. Some people answered, I think. No one answered. What do you mean by prompt? Yeah, it will completed by 9 o'clock. I want you guys to respond. What do you mean by prompt? Answer, guys. Answer in the chat. Yeah. Madhura Rawat is saying prompt is a input given to a model so that it will give the user necessary output based on it. Yes. It is a correct answer, Madhura Rawat. So you can see here the prompt. Mm, so here you can see is the prompt. You can see that the given user is given to get the output like this image, right? This instruction we can say prompt is nothing but instruction that we are giving to our AI. Okay, what are prompts in the context of generative AI? Instruction that help the LLM to generate content correctly. What is the goal in a prompt? Why you hope, what you hope to achieve with the model's output, what you want to get with the model's output. Then we have next one, which is prompt template. Understand the prompt template. What do you mean by prompt template? A basic, you can see, if you want to use the same prompt again and again with changing names and all, it is nothing but a prompt template. It is a reusable prompt. Prompt template is a reusable prompt. It includes placeholders for the specific details about customers, products, and more. And once those placeholders are filled with real relevant data, that prompt template became a truly personalized prompt. The ingredients and the instructions are mostly the same, but the output is customized for your business and your target audience. Okay, you can see this is the placeholders. Uh, based, it will be changed dynamically based on the role, topic, and target audience. You can see this is a prompt template where we can able to use this prompt template multiple times. It is a reusable thing. And the prompts, the safest Salesforce way. We can give that answer, and you can see here what is the main benefit of using prompt template. What is the main benefit here? They are reusable and allowing to scale. How can you add business data to your prompt template in your Salesforce? I can able to add by using merge fields and flows, right? Yeah. Then we have plan your prompt template. So here you can see some dawn of a new day. It is a age generated image and ask the right questions. Who is involved, how they are related, like these questions. And this is the prompt template with the placeholders. The real time data will be replaced with that placeholders. And you can see what is the context, you can able to read that thing, what are the constraints. It is very important to include a few guardrails to tell the LLM limits of what it can do. For example, you should indicate that the context should not contain guesses if information is missing. It's worth defining how long the content should be. To Lara does this by adding limit the message to about 500 words and do not address any content or generate answers that you don't have complete data on. So altogether her prompts look like this and test and iterate like this, and you can see the prompt template for generating an email should describe the intended receipt. Who else should the template mention? The email sender that the LLM is representing. Why it is important to include direct instructions for the LLM to generate only the expected type of content. You can see here to prevent the LLM from creating content about the process of creating content. Okay, this is how the prompt will work. And if you go to the next part here, which is prompt builder basics. Like before going into the agent creation, we need to know some topics inside that, right? Yeah, that's why I'm giving brief main points only. Okay. After that, you also will try to read these things, right? So you can see prompt design my game room with a ping pong table styled with a neon scheme. You can see this is the prompt and we are getting, and there are few types of prompt template that we have in our Salesforce, which are sales email prompt template, field generation prompt template is there, record summary prompt template is there, and flex prompt template. Sales email is like the template, email template will be created, placeholders, in the place of placeholders the names will be replaced, and we can able to send the emails faster. Okay. Field generation means the field will be generated with some data. Record summary. If there is any record in the Salesforce that should be summarized, we can able to summarize using record summary prompt template. We can see flex prompt template. It generate content for business purpose not covered by other prompt template types, allowing you to define your own resources. And you can see here, is it secure? Yeah, it is 100% secure. Because at the Salesforce, we understand that the AI is coupled with real-time data. Security is even more important. Prompt Builder uses Einstein Trust Layer. You guys need to be more familiar with this Einstein Trust Layer. This is the layer in between Salesforce and uh, external LLMs. Okay, through this only Salesforce data is very secured and confidential. There is no data leakage will be there because of Einstein Trust Layer. This secures the old Salesforce org data.
Yeah, you can see here.
It is the Einstein trust layer. You can follow this diagram once. Just see this diagram for 5 minutes. You will get knowledge on what it is, and then I will explain how this Einstein trust layer is working. Yeah, you can see here Einstein trust layer, right? Einstein trust layer in the middle. Left side you are getting Salesforce applications. Right side you are getting hosted models, or we can say LLMs. Okay, it is the secure gateway in between Salesforce data, companies data, and LLMs. So if you give prompt from Salesforce, okay, if you are giving prompt from the Salesforce, inside the prompt you are having some data, right? First step is like it will secure data retrieval, like it will take the data from the Salesforce database, and then dynamic grounding will be there. Then data masking is like encrypting the uh, confidential data. We can say every data will be masked, not only the confidential. Every data will be masked, because if it is masked only, they can't able to see, the LLMs can't able to see what is the data inside this prompt, right? So that's why they are masking it. Then prompt defense will be there. If there any toxicity or anything, that will be defensed. Then it will go to secure gateway to zero trust Yeah, I'm sharing my screen again, guys. Wait. Yeah. Anyone having any doubts or any issues, they can ask. Are you guys getting my screen? Just let me know. Here, this is how the Einstein trust layer will work. Okay. Then how do specificity and context impact prompt responses? They enhance the output by tailoring it to your requirement. Which prompt template type assist in generating personalized emails for customers? Sales email prompt templates. Okay, and you can see get a create and ground prompt template. You can able to see all the prompt related topics here, and you can able to complete it. And we'll go to the next one, which is you can see here meet agent force. You are getting meet agent force, right? So go to the meet agent force, and I will tell you. You can see what is agent force. When you were young, you can see agent force is a proactive conversational AI solution made up of autonomous agents that sits on the Salesforce platform. What exactly is an autonomous agent? An autonomous agent is an advanced concept of AI that can understand, respond, inquiries, then take actions with or without human intervention. When an agent is given an objective, they can generate tasks for themselves. The anticipate next steps, change course based on user input, and initiate new tasks within the use cases and guardrails you set up. You might think of your agent force as a trusted digital teammate or customizable component makes components smarter. Agent Force uses the power of AI like ML and NLP to make sense of your conversations, questions, or requests. Agent then process those requests by following your instructions so they can return responses that are grounded in your secure data. Many of the components in each agent can be configured to address unique needs across your organization. What do you mean by data? Like any employee, an agent needs to understand your company and your customers to do, okay, customers to do its job. Because Agentforce is a part of Salesforce platform, we can choose the information access controls your agent can use securely do their to do their jobs, right? Data is the medium, reasoning is like the brain behind every agent, and actions like what type of action, like update records, create records, reservation bookings, email alerts, whatever the actions you want to make through agent, we can make by creating actions, okay, that should be added in the agent. And what is the topic is like the specialized category or classification for of the actions that define overall job or jobs an agent can perform. And what do you mean by channels? If you are created one agent, you can deploy it to your message channel, that into systems your employees and customers rely for the communication and work activities. Okay, we can able to deploy in Salesforce or Slack text or messages or email. Okay, and we can see there are some standard agents like employee agent, sales agent for sales development representative, agent force for setup, agent force for service agent. Okay, okay, this is all about agent force and what allows agent force to call different topics and actions as a conversation shifts. The Atlas reasoning engine, the brain behind the agent force. Okay, what are the individual tasks and agent is configured to do? Actions. Actions are the individual task an agent is configured to do. Okay, this is all about agent force introduction, and you can able to see some topics here. So try to complete it by yourself. Okay, first we'll get knowledge on agent force builder. So get started with agent force builder. I will just give brief. Okay, your business needs customer agent force agent. For that, you need to enable agent force that will be available in the setup, and you need to do some steps. You can see where is where in your org is agent force enabled. In the setup only it will be enabled, and you can access agents you build on the agent force agent screen. Yeah, you can access, but you need to give the permission correctly. Build and customize an agent. What is that? Build and customize an agent? Build an events inquiry agent. Select your topics. You can select here from topics section, and you can able to add the standard topics, and you can customize your agent by giving your topics, actions, and instructions. Okay, this is all about building. Then customize agent topics will be there. You can see this screen will be like this, and we will discuss. We will do practical thing tomorrow. You can see these are topics here, and you can able to create topics by clicking new, and every agent should be inactive, not active, then only this a new button will be populated. If it is activated, this new button will won't be available. Okay, and these are topics. Inside the topics we have actions. Okay, we can see after clicking on any topic, you will find these two things: topic configuration and topic action. By clicking this topic action, we can able to create our new actions. Okay, yeah, you can able to remove your topic by clicking remove from agent. You can add from the set library. Already created topics will be there, you can add also. Topic guardrails are described in which topic field. It is a instructions. Why it is best practice to use pre-configured topics and actions. Pre-configured topics and actions are can be easily customized to fit most of use cases. And then click define agent settings. So scroll down, you can see the component will be look like for topic is here, the data, the symbol is here, connections will look like this, contacts will look like this, language is like this, events like this, checklist is like this. You can able to see some information about that. Which customization option require access to data 360? Upload or edit knowledge articles or other documents to personalize your agent interactions. What benefits can even logs provide for a customized agent? Event logs can help humans text and troubleshoot by providing a record of an agent's interactions. Okay. Okay, this is all about the agent builder. You can see some agent force for service is there. Sales is there in the last. You can see Salesforce mobile app, agent force on Salesforce mobile app. Also, you can able to access. Click on it. So here, if you can able to see the videos here, instructions here, you can able to access that thing here. What additional steps do you need to take so that agent force works on this mobile app? Nothing. It's all done for you when you set up for agent force. And how can you turn on voice control agent on your iOS device? Give access to speech recognition on your microphone. It will ask for your speech recognition on microphone permission. You need to click allow for that. Yeah, this is all about the things, guys. And I will again explain you. Just see here. You guys need to complete first section, second section, and the third section is meet agent force. And tomorrow we'll try to discuss this thing with hands-on. Get hands-on with agent force. Okay. These are the two projects that we need to build hands-on practically. So one by one we will do. And if you guys having any doubts, you can ask. I will be here for till 9 o'clock. Guys, anyone having any issues? Please let me know that if you are getting any issues. And tomorrow session we will discuss how to create agent. Okay, this is all about today's session, and I hope you got some knowledge on